Okay, we are talking about VA closing cost. So VA actually has quite a few really cool things with their closing costs that they allow. The VA loan allows for the seller to pay closing cost for the veteran, as well as up to 4% of any of their debt or liabilities in order to help them qualify. So it's a really cool piece with VA loans, if you didn't know that, that if the veteran, I know the market that we're in right now may not be conducive to that, but in general, VA does allow for the seller to help the veteran qualify if that's needed. The other piece with closing costs that's required for a veteran or a VA loan is the termite report. So the termite report is a required document that has to be provided for closing. You have to have a termite report, and then you also have to have any repairs, typically in section 1, completed. And we have to be able to show that that completion is done. And then closing costs are broken down into 2 pieces for VA. You have your closing costs, which are the one-time cost to purchase the property. That's usually around 1% of your purchase price, 1.25%. And then you have your prepaid items, which are the items that are associated with your property taxes, homeowners insurance, and then the daily interest on the loan from when you close to the following month when your next payment is due. And those are usually about 1 and 1.25% as well, somewhere in between. And then from there, those closing costs, the one-time costs that occur, that gets paid at closing. The only thing that's usually paid up front would be the home inspection fee and then also the appraisal fee. So those 2 fees are typically paid right at the beginning of the transaction, along with the earnest money deposit, which is the good faith deposit that can range from, let's say, 1 to 3%. That gets deposited into escrow. You can also use the interest rate on the VA loan to help cover any shortage you might have in your closing costs. And that is called premium pricing, basically. So I can go into a lot more detail, maybe in a different video. If you have any questions or details, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to answer those. Talk to you soon. Bye.